Yo, what's up, my people? Hey, it's your boy One with Trapping in the Pandemic. Today, I am starting my YouTube back, man. We're in 2024. I figured, hey, if I'm a trade every day, I may as well just recap my trades, give weekly biases, and maybe some people could learn from my wins and learn from my losses. So I figured that I just start my YouTube back. I finally got my nice crib. I have my setup back, so I have everything I need. So I was like, why not just start? So that's what I'm doing today. But anyways, today all we're gonna be going over is my weekly bias. I am 4 for 4 in the month of January. That means every week, I come up, hey, the market is going up, the market is going down. I have my levels, the market reaches there, we take our profit and then we move on. So I am 4 for 4 in the month of January. I'm not saying I'm gonna be right every single week, because every day, even when I'm right on a week, every day I don't win, right? So we win, we lose. It's just part of trading. But weekly bias, daily bias is very important because, like I said, if you're gonna be trading, you want to trade what the trend is, right? So if we're gonna be a red day, you don't want to be trading calls. If we're gonna be a green day, if the daily candle is green, you want to be trading calls. You don't want to be trading puts. So I'm gonna be showing y'all that my weekly bias this week. I predict we're going up. And throughout the rest of the week, I'm gonna just be doing my daily recaps, win or lose. That way y'all learn something. So if y'all like the content, man, drop a like, drop a sub. If y'all have any questions, drop them too, and I'll answer y'all in the next video. So without further ado, let's get on the charts. So this week for myself, I am bullish. Once we tapped into this, we had our rally. Now I want to go to smaller time frames to figure out whatever imbalances we have. So we tapped in here Wednesday. Like I said, I was bearish on the week. So from Monday, we had our rally up. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, we moved all the way down. Thursday, we had our expansion higher from our point of interest. So after we had that, after you see that this fair value gap got respected, what you want to do is go to the smaller time frames and look for fair value gaps to trade off of. So on this day, I actually took a loss because I was trading off the bearish fair value gap that got created here, which we did have some setups that, it went lower. But overall, the market wanted to go up because this was the higher time frame point of interest. So that's why that 4 hour did not matter compared to a weekly. So I took some L's on this day, on this rally up, but the next day I got back aligned with the market, So we had this 4 hour fair value gap that got created Thursday. So Friday we pulled back into the fair value gap, 50% of it. When you go to these smaller time frames, you can find your entry. My entry for myself came when we tap back into this 15. You can see that the price came into it and continued its rally. For me, I targeted these highs. I didn't really have any levels up here on ES to target, so I just targeted these highs and left runners, right? Excuse me. So anyways, this week, like I said, if I want to trade, my plan is to trade from this 1 hour imbalance. And the reason why is because, this is our low, this is our high. The market, if you don't know anything about ICT, the market goes to 3 places. Those 3 places are stop losses, a high or a low. In between here, from this high down to this low, we have all of these people who are in calls still. So the market comes down, sweep, whoever's in calls, stop them out. That's one area it goes, liquidity, a high or low. The next area is an imbalance, which this is a 1 hour fair value gap. So this is my point of interest. I'm, predicting that the market will come into this 1 hour imbalance and then continue its trend higher. The same way, we pulled into this 1 hour that I was showing y'all. It was a 4 hour, but it pulled back into it and then it went higher. So predicting the same thing, market's gonna come into here, then go higher. My first target would be this high, and then I'll leave runners to go above because I don't know where the market wants to go if I don't have any highs or if I don't have any balances. So my first target would be this first buy side up here. on ES. And that's basically how you come up with a bias. So that's what I'm looking for on ES. ES is a lot more cleaner than NQ. So I'm gonna just show y'all NQ real quick. Let me clean my chart up. So with NQ, the difference between ES and NQ is that I'm gonna go to a 4 hour. So NQ only reached this high. This is the highest, target. It broke this high, but it never broke its main high, right? So overall, NQ still needs to reach there. But for me to take a trade, I want to see it reach into this 4 hour imbalance, right? I want to see it trade in here and then get ready to go higher. The only other area of interest I have, if it wants to go lower, would be this 1 hour order block right here. And basically that's because this is its last point, right? This is its last bullish point where the market should hold the price higher. So we have this imbalance, which I got off the 4 hour. It should respect here, either in here and then continue higher, or if it wants to go lower, it might bounce off the high or 50%, and then rally higher. So that's my two predictions on NQ and ES. Am I gonna be right? I don't know. The market could just keep going up and I won't have a trade. So if the market doesn't pull back to my point of interest, the next thing I would like to see is it break this high and continuous trend higher, leaving more imbalances. The same way, the same way on this move, we rallied up, we left imbalances, and I was able to trade off of this imbalance, right? So that's the same thing I'm expecting. I'm expecting price to reach higher, and then whatever imbalances is between the low and the high, I'm gonna trade off of those imbalances, predicting that it wants to go higher. So that is my weekly bias this week. Like I said, I will be going over my daily trade recaps with y'all. Won't be too long, maybe like 5-15 minutes, just kind of explaining, if I was right, if I was wrong, what I did good, what I did wrong, just going over those things. But that is it for today. If you guys want to learn more about weekly biases, daily biases, just drop a like, drop a comment, whatever questions y'all have, I can answer them. I've been trading ICT concepts closer to a year, but I would say I'm probably 8 months in. I have a very, very great understanding after taking losses, so many losses and so many wins, to where I just simplified everything. And I have something that works consistent for what I see and how I like to trade. So if y'all have any questions going over weekly, daily biases, I won't go over it today, but I'll drop another video for y'all. But other than that, y'all stay tapped in. Have a blessed week, man. I hope y'all make some money. And yeah, stay tuned for the next video. Peace.